Welcome back to the four-wheel Jamboree Nationals, the 20th to be exact, from the Allen County Fairgrounds in Lima, Ohio. Right now, it's time for our product highlight, featuring some innovations and inventions created for your truck. Now with that, here's Griff Allen.
Boy, I'll tell you, we love the Hummer H2, and we love to dress them up. They can go off-road, they can go up, or you can go urban with them, and you can billet them out like Defender Works has done here. Take a look at this beautiful hood element. Just one of many great examples that I want to explore with Wayne, the owner over here. Apparently, this display board shows that you can get kind of simple, but you can also get the Maltese cross involved and really get pretty wicked with your accessories.
Right. Right here we have the Chopper series at SEMA. We have the black diamond coating, which you can mix and match with the shiny chrome, get a two-tone look. So once again, customizing individuality.
Now the billet look and blinging, if you will, you got that, but you've also got black. You've also got some other things in the works?
Yeah, we're working on copper, gold. So again, you can mix and match.
All right, let's come on over to the H2 itself here. You got, of course, the automatic step door, but when you open the door, you do it with this handle here, which takes it up a notch or two.
Yeah, here we featured, once again, a lever like a clutch for the Chopper series. It gives it a nice, clean look. Again, that's what the Hummer's about.
You know what I want to do is open this back up here, and I want to show you inside. For one thing, the shifter, definitely hands-on, meaty. And then even down to the vent covers, you got accessories for that too.
Yeah, we tied everything in so it all flows from front to back and then into the interior.
Now speaking of the back, come on back here. Apparently you've got some great options where you can line up some lights, and you can even do some branding and imaging, some logo work. Tell me what you got for the back.
For the back, the SGT, we featured this billet bar across the bed. We have the tail light guards where you can interchange inserts. So on the fly, if you wanted to change your look, you want to be flames today, you just change it out. You can mix and match colors.
And you can even get a logo in there, somebody's name, the model of your vehicle, or even your company logo.
Right. Individual initials, and like you said, company logos.
All right, now back here, Steve wants to show off how good these guys are with billet. Two-wheeled machines, very tough to work with. This prize-winning machine won first place at Sturgis. Take a look at how clean it is. You won't find one silly seam anywhere. All the cable work is tucked inside. Of course, we got the throttle. There's no brake here, but we'll get to that. Over here, the clutch, integrated into a cam that you work with a twist here. Proportional braking down here, you give it a little bit, you got a good rear brake, you give it a little bit more, and then it proportions in the front brake. And Steve, great example of how creative you guys are. What else am I looking at?
Thank you. What we wanted to show here was our capability to make billet parts and also engineer them. So you can look at the swing arm with the integral caliper in it. Also, we machined the wheels, the risers, and the headlight, all to match the style of the bike.
Yeah, it's got an air ride suspension too, and I'll tell you, good looking machine. Good paint job as well.
Oh, thank you very much.
All right, so Defender Works, they're the ones you need to look for. I guess they're going to have bike stuff soon, and they can even get you taken care of right down to the lugs, the center hubs for your wheels for the H2. Check them out.
Thanks, Griff. Let's take it home to the home stretch. 3 races remain. You're getting a good look right there at Brent Harris, and he's driving Yep. And he will face Rick Kruski driving Blown Money. Not hard to figure out where he got that title from.
No, it's not. It goes right along with the racer's handshake, the 2 outward stretched palms. And again, the story all week is going to be our struggle for traction. Brent has it, but he also has the better ET.
And that once again will bring up David Chick in Super Jeep, and his opponent will be Gary Husted driving the Judge. So here come the Judge.
Yeah, what is old is new again, and the green machine in the near lane, the Judge, has a good reputation for doing well in Class 4. He's done so. He does a lot of great work with nitrous oxide, but not this weekend, as David Chick is going to be able to get the better run of that pair.
And Griff, 1 race remains. It's called Attitude, driven by Mike Lane, and he better have some right here.
In fact, he's the last run. Can he do well? Not as well in ET or reaction time. Wild ride at the top end. Whoa, Nelly. Ha ha. Hear the crowd love it.
So I'm going to ask you this very simple question. Was the first pass better than this pass?
No, I don't think so, but maybe. It's close.
But maybe, close. I mean, the clock in your head's ticking. Okay, on this pass, it looked like you lined up a little bit differently.
Yeah, I lined up and went across the track to get across the ruts instead of down the ruts, so. Felt good, but I don't know if it was faster.
Is that something you kind of think about? I mean, you've got two vehicles here, so you kind of know about the track and you kind of know about those things. Is that something you can kind of pull out of the bag of tricks after all these years of running one of these?
Yeah, you watch everybody else; they're going straight, so I'll just go diagonal across the track and get in the good traction and try to get the win.
Well, I'll tell you, you didn't win with this ride.
Okay.
You won with the other ride.
All right. Well, what did I get with this one? You don't know.
I don't know, and I'm not going to tell you, because all that matters is the W goes to the other one. I'll let you and the crew figure that out, dissect all the information.
The check's all that matters, isn't it?
Yeah, absolutely. The checks and the points. Congratulations, man.
Thanks.
Thanks, Doc. It is always the bottom line. Our congratulations to our top 5 competitors and to all of the brave souls that faced and went down the track today. For more information on products featured today, check out these websites. Now, for Griff Allen and Doc Riley, Claude Wood, keep on trucking.